Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make Bapu's charkha. Let's make it. Materials required: scissors like this shape. This one should be big and this side should be small. We need to make little holes in the both sizes. And we need six parts of this. I'll show you how to cut these. We need to make 3 holes in each. We need 6 and make 3 holes over here, and over here. I'll show you how to cut it. No? And we need also stapler. So I'll show you how to cut it. You need to cut a curve, both sides a curve. See, like this. And make 3 holes here, here, as I told you over here. So I told you the instruction. We need to make holes like this. I have already made 6 of them. So let's make it. Have you seen these holes I showed you earlier? You need to take like this toothpick and put inside it like this. Now you should take the 6 and place one inside. I'll show you. And I place everything. Okay. One like this, and one like this. Like a cross. We need to staple like this. 3 we need to staple like this, like a flowers. And make sure these sticks can go through this. 1 second. So hard. Wrong stick. Like this. See. It's going through. Now we are going to stick this in the next hole. 1 second, I'll just put this inside. See, like this. Just fold this like this. Okay? Like this. I showed you earlier there's holes inside it. We are going to take a little bit long stick from these small sticks and you're going to place it inside these holes. So place it inside, then start. Okay, that's a little hard. These every putting these toothpicks. Take this red, whichever color you want, and place it inside. Go. Sorry about that. We're going to place it everything. Okay, well done. Okay, mine's done. Like this we need to make. So if you're done, take this thread and tie it around this thing. This. See this? So I'll tie it. First of all, I need to just do this first. To tie it. Yeah. Okay. Now okay, this is a little bit hard. Okay, done. And it can also move, see. So it is like Gandhiji's charkha. Now I'm going to try around this. Oh, once again this came out. It's a little bit hard to tie it. Wait a second, guys. I have a trick. Now we should tie around this. Whoa. Wait a second, guys. Now, under this going. Okay. Now going under this. So mine is done. Just rotate the thread 3 times and make it darker to see it, to see the thread. I'll show you from rotating. This is good. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, like my video, press the bell icon. Bye. And share my video. Bye.